What's up YouTube, it's Nejc Filipič here. Check out this. So, like I promised in past video, I made an FL Studio 20, perfect for beginners and advanced users. So in this UDEMY course, you will learn how to make some good editing or how to make, if you check out down here below, when you see the content, when you go to UDEMY production section, it actually, I'm gonna teach you how to make an intro, breakdown, build, drop, and at the end mastering the effect, mastering the entire track. So it's like 1.5 hours of learning time, and the lowest price possible on UDEMY it's 20 euros. So I just put it to 19.91. You have full-time live access and stuff like that, and that's basically it, guys. So I'm gonna put the link in the description below, so if you like to learn you can follow me. I'm gonna make more UDEMY, but like I promised on YouTube in past videos that I'm gonna make an UDEMY course. Here we go. So I don't know if I'm actually capable of speaking, of saying. It's actually only introduction video. Hello. Nothing special. But yeah, I think you get actually the first three are preview, so you can see if you actually like it. But yeah, this is gonna teach you everything, even show the effects or synthesizers, so you can actually use on your own. So by the way, guys, my name is Nejc Filipič, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.